Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help your get start. Scribble the white paper only. Creativity won't hit you out of anywhere. At least most of the times it won't. Having a fear of drawing can be a serious setback to yourself. So once you open up your sketchbook, immediately draw something in it. Don't try to overthink it, just do it. Your brain tends to freeze when you're staring at a blank paper. This is also a sort of phobia. Once you get the ball rolling though, that will be gone in an instant. The trick here is to just pick up the pencil and your sketchbook and don't think. Beginner artist only to use white paper, you'll spend and waste too much time. Sooner or later, an idea will come up and something will come out of it. Don't give excuses, there's no time. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.